Good morning, sir.
Hi, Tony.
License and registration?
I think I have that actually. Alright, so today we're going to put the rear wheels on the back and the 300ZX rotors and calipers to complete the conversion and not make the car look so funky like it does right now. Look at that hilarious stance. From far away it looks so ridiculous. So here's what's going on. I'm not keeping 9-inch wheels for the front. I'm actually going to do 8-inch wheels for more steering lock. So once I get those, I won't need the spacer because the offset is a lot higher and I shouldn't need one to clear, and if I do, I can use a small one and it won't stick out as far, so it'll look a lot better. But when I do go to the GK Tech angle kit, it's extendable up to 70 millimeters and I'm gonna go close to that, so that's why we're gonna get over fenders. I'm going to make a hypothesis on the rears. These are 35 offset, 9-inch wide wheels, and the Cosmis are 9-inch wheels by 5. So that's going to give me an extra 30 millimeters outwards, but obviously the spacer is coming off because it's a 4-bolt spacer, and that is a 27 millimeter spacer with the slip-on on there as well. So 27 millimeter total. So that means in theory the gold wheel should sit nicely. However, I don't think it will clear the caliper, so I might have to use like a tiny 5mm slip-on spacer or something just to clear it a bit. Let's pull it in and get started. Tony's over there, he's working on his engine again, getting the head on. Tyson's working on some engines over there. Kenji's dyno tuning Dylan's SR S14. This thing's wild, it's forged internals, big 270 Tomei Pro cams. Borg Warner EFR turbo. And if you're in the Edmonton area and you want to get your car dyno tuned, be sure to hit up SSS Motorsports. Give us a call, 780-438-2638. Dylan, you guys might recognize him from Tony's videos. This is his car. Borg EFR. Man, Kenji tuning it. Alright, so that's one side done on the rears. Wasn't too bad, took a little shorter than I thought it would. Now I'm going to slap my GoPro on my head and show you guys how it's actually done. That's my intro. We're bringing it back. That's my intro clip now. I hope you realize. Sorry?
Oh, you're gonna be gold now.
You haven't seen these yet?
No, I haven't.
They're on the rest of the car. They're on the front.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, these
I
are...
didn't even notice.
Look, my front wheels, I'm getting 8s. Those still have to come in the mail. All right, both rears and fronts are done now. Both sides. All is good. Now I just got to bolt up the axle. Bolt up the axles to the diff and then bleed the brakes and should be good to go. GoPro battery died again, so I'm not gonna have any more working footage, but should be good. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. Car's all done, front and rears are done. Just have to bleed the brakes. Really excited. Once the over fenders come in, we can put those on, and then the car is going to be getting wrapped on April 6th, which I'm really excited for. It's going to be wrapped by DC Signs. Gonna work with them to come up with a design for the car. I kind of already have one in mind, so hopefully it turns out really nice. I've got confidence they did an awesome job wrapping Aaron's car. I'll drop a photo of it right here. So that's the Triple S shop drift car, the S14 UJZ. So yeah, we're gonna bleed the brakes and then end this video with a shop burnout.
You lied, lied. You're so good at it.